Good morning. Welcome to my channel, The Floral Bee Garden. I garden in Zone 6A, Nova Scotia. Today I'm going to be seeding out some poppy seeds and I'm going to be sprinkling them right on the snow. I'm out here at the shed getting some pots because I'm going to try some indoors as well. Anyways, let's get to it. So I'm out here at the meadow and I am trying to plant them so that they come up in a big drift. Well, I hope it works. I'm going to turn this around. Here's the pack of seeds. It says it has 300 in it, and I've already used some, and I'm going to add some more. I don't know if you can see them, but they're the little brown specks, and there's some gray ones too. So my hope is that they're from the statue and they come down around here. And I've already seeded some up there. And so I'm just finishing up down here. And this is what the meadow looks like in the winter. Hi, well, I'm back in the house now and I'm going to be transplanting some of my seedlings. I'm going to be separating them into separate pots because there's too many in one, and this will create a better root and a better plant. Here I'm separating my Gomphrena seedlings. They are, there's maybe 2 to 3 per cell, and I'm only going to let 1 per cell grow. So I'm going to move them over gently, and what you do is you grab it by the leaf and you gently tease out the roots and put them in the new spot. Dig out a little hole, put them in, and be gentle with the roots. Make sure that when you're digging them out, you plant them at the same level so that the plant has a better time and doesn't go into shock. You can see how big the root ball is on that. And as I'm digging the hole, and then I put it in and I make sure that the stem is not any deeper than it was in the original hole, and transplanting some of the soil back to the other pot to fill it up. This year, this Gomphrena is going into my long planter out the front, and I've got some Casablanca lily bulbs that I've bought at Costco, and I'm going to plant them together, and I'm going to think of one more plant to put in it, and then I think it'll be a stunning display. But anyways, if I get 12 of these Gomphrena, I'll be very happy, and it's a mix of colors. So last year I had white, fuchsia pink, and a light pink, and I was very happy with it. So now I'm misting the seedlings so that they don't get transplant shock, and it will help them root in much better with a little bit of water. Now I'm going to thin out my black-eyed Susan seedlings. I only want one plant per pot. I might leave two in some if they're not too close together, but it does improve the performance of the seedling if there is only one. As the plants grow, I might decide to take out the other one and just have one plant in there. I'm just going to play it by ear and see how they do. These are going back out onto the light racks, and I will update you on how they turn out. So what I've got here is the 4 to 5 inch pot, I'm not sure, and I'm going to sprinkle some of the annual poppies in them and see if they grow. This is just an experiment. I'm hoping that they grow so that I can at least be guaranteed some pots of poppies outside. Now, I won't be transplanting them individually. I'll just take the whole pot and dig a hole and put that in the ground. I'm going to seed them very sparingly, and then this is a mixture that I got off of Etsy, and it's just a mix of all different kinds of poppies. So I will keep you updated on how they do. So you really want the seeds to make contact with the soil. So I'm just pushing my fingers down, and hopefully I'm getting at the seeds and they will make contact. And then I will lightly spritz them with water and get them under the lights and a humidity dome. And I'll keep you updated on this. We'll see. It's just an experiment, but I hope it works. Oh, don't forget the name tag. Well, here's the Gomphrena and some black-eyed Susans under the lights. And I got the poppies under the light as well with a humidity dome on a heat mat. Thank you for joining me today. If you've enjoyed this video, why not consider subscribing? It's free and it helps my channel grow. Better yet, like it and actually give me a comment on how your seeding is done. Have you seeded poppies this way and have they worked? I'd really like to know. Thanks a lot. Have a great day. Bye.